Assalamu alaikum. The year 2020 has been a challenging one. The COVID-19 pandemic has disturbed our lives and we all had to adjust to a new scenario. Group Development Pakistan has made sure that during those difficult times we maintained our linkage with community members who were not digitalized so that safety nets, protection services were sustained for those who needed it. We made sure that no one would be left behind. We also had an opportunity to reinforce the collaboration we had with the higher judiciary in Pakistan. And basically, we launched another child court in Ralanai, Moment, Newly Merged District in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the Quetta Child Court also started its operation, as well as the Islamabad Child Court. We also had the opportunity to work with the Ministry of Human Rights to start improving the National Child Protection Center in Islamabad. And then we also collaborated with the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government to raise awareness on child sexual abuse and exploitation. Finally, in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Law and Justice, we launched the action to increase women's representation in the legal sector. And basically, we know that this is going to further generate impact and will need to be taken up in 2021. We really hope that you will join us in our next endeavors to ensure that child protection and justice with children in Pakistan is improved and reinforced. And we would be delighted to further document with you new achievements, new historical milestone for Pakistan in the year 2021. Nia Sal Mubarak, thank you for your support and stay with us.